So my next P then is process. And I guess the question I have is, can you go from vision to reality in one fell swoop? Can you go from inception, from concept, to experiencing it just like that? And the answer would be no, right? You have to go through the process. And as you step out into this new field, the same way we did back in 88, I think you have to, just like we did, have to figure out the skills and the knowledge you need to learn, acquire, the behaviors you need to change, the best practices you need to embrace. And that requires you to take consistent action. Action, Picasso says, is the foundational key of all success. Now, here we are in Athens, the birthplace of the Olympics, and we just finished watching the Winter Olympics on TV. And some people will see athletes doing their thing and go, wow, that is so amazing, I could never do that. Or perhaps they'll read about someone who truly excelled in their field, and they go, that's just so impressive, I could never do that. And you know what? I would agree with them. There's absolutely no way in the world they could do that. So there's a caveat, if they saw that person's success as one giant leap from where they were to where they are now, as opposed to the step-by-step process. And I'm always mindful when I say that, because I know there's at least one person you're going, Devon, that's BS. You just told us you went from not knowing what a bobsled was to compete in the Olympics in 5 months. Did I say that? My alter ego said that. No, but and you're absolutely right. I said that, but what you're discounting are the months and weeks and years we spent in Jamaica in 96 degrees in the shade, in the crucible, developing our bodies, the hours we spent honing and developing our athletic abilities so that one day somebody could teach us the very basics about pushing a sled. And then we're able to use all of that knowledge and experience, right, the keep on pushing philosophy, right, applied to this new environment to take advantage of or create opportunities. And so that's what we did. So, yesterday we were talking about Bolt, the fact that he has won 8 gold medals, which is pretty incredible. The world never knew of Bolt until 2008. How many of you knew, show of hands, that Bolt actually competed in the 2004 Olympics in Athens? 1, 2. 2 persons, exactly. So from 2004, he got cursed out in Jamaica, by the way. It was like, who is he? Why is he on the team? So he looks like an overnight success, right? Came out of nowhere. But what he did and what you witnessed was that step-by-step process, that grit, that determination, that passion, that over time, in this case, really more than 4 years, because he's been working before that, but he got to that level where people go, wow, he is an amazing guy, right? And that's the thing, that's a challenge for all of you as well, that you have to put in that work, make that step-by-step process to get to where you want to go. And it may seem impossible, it may seem like a jumbled mess now, but if you do that, take that consistent action, as Bo said, determination will create reality. Yeah, when you take consistent action, today's impossibility becomes tomorrow's reality for you.